हाँ उसी का ऊपर उत्तरी भाग का उधर वाला हिस्सा है ना, ऊपर साइड वाला उस वाले
The oathing ceremony, which is a court proceeding, will commence in a short time. May I request all of you to kindly refrain from making any noise or clapping either before, during, or after the court proceedings. May I further request all of you, please keep your mobile phone switched off. Thank you. May I be permitted to comment? Yes. Thank you, madam. Now I read notification. Number 8-13012/04/2022 US second Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointments Division, Jaisalmer House, 26, Mansingh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 23rd January 2025. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Shri Praveen Kumar Giri to be a judge of the Allahabad High Court with effect from the day he assumes charge of his office. Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary to the Government of India. Now I read the communication received from Honorable the Governor, Uttar Pradesh, Anandiben Patel, Governor, Uttar Pradesh, Raj Bhavan, Lucknow, 226027, January 24, 2025. In pursuance of the provisions of Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I hereby appoint Honorable Mr. Justice Arun Bansali, the Chief Justice of the High Court Judicature at Allahabad, as the person before whom Shri Praveen Kumar Giri shall subscribe or for affirmation as a judge of the Allahabad High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule of the Constitution of India. Anandiben Patel. Now I read the warrant of appointment of Shri Praveen Kumar Giri. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Praveen Kumar Giri to be a judge of the Allahabad High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 23rd day of January in the year 2025, 3rd Magha, 1946 Shaka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India, President of India. Now I read the Hindi version. मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू, भारत की राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 217 के खंड 1 द्वारा मुझ में निहित शक्ति से एतद द्वारा श्री प्रवीण कुमार गिरी को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की तिथि से इलाहाबाद उच्च न्यायालय का न्यायाधीश नियुक्त करती हूँ। भारत गणराज्य के 75वें वर्ष में आज सन 2025 ईस्वी के जनवरी मास के 23वें दिन 3 मार्च 1946 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। भारत की राष्ट्रपति। May I request Shri Praveen Kumar Giri to make and subscribe for before Honorable the Chief Justice under Article 219 of the Constitution of India.
मैं रवींद्र कुमार गिरी, जो उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद का न्यायाधीश नियुक्त हुआ हूँ, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा मैं सम्यक प्रकार से और श्रद्धापूर्वक तथा अपनी पूरी योग्यता, ज्ञान और विवेक से अपने पद के कर्तव्यों का भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना पालन करूंगा तथा मैं संविधान और विधियों की मर्यादा बनाए रखूंगा।
Honorable the Chief Justice, may I be permitted to close the proceedings and keep the same on record?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam.